I chose to take the course in additive manufacturing because there was a project in my workplace where we had to change a current design to a design using additive manufacturing. I've always been interested in additive manufacturing but didn't really have any skills in it, and therefore my colleagues who were already on this project recommended that I took this course. The course itself has been very good. I especially enjoyed the case studies. Overall, I think the content was very thorough with the different types of manufacturing processes. I definitely feel like I have more insight into this way of manufacturing, and therefore I am also able to contribute more to the discussions that we have when talking design or which technology to use or the limitations or possibilities that there are. So it's been very giving for me, and I can definitely recommend it.